If you have a lot of songs on your iPhone, you might be looking to remove some to clear up your storage space and make room for new songs to listen to. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete one or more songs from your iPhone and other iOS devices. Now let's get started. To delete a single song from your iPhone, tap the music icon on your home screen to open the app. Tap Songs to see your entire music library. Find a song you want to delete, then tap and hold on the song's name to open a pop-up menu. To delete the song, tap Delete from Library. To confirm, tap Delete Song. You can also delete entire albums from your device by tapping Library at the bottom, then selecting Albums. Find an album you want to delete. Tap and hold on the album cover to access the pop-up menu, then tap Delete from Library. To confirm, tap Delete Album. Another way to manage your iPhone's music library is through your device's settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then select General. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap Music. To remove all songs in your music library, swipe your finger to the left over All Songs. Then tap Delete. If you want to delete all songs by a specific artist, swipe your finger to the left over the artist's name, then tap Delete. Tap an artist's name to see albums and songs you have on your iPhone. You can also swipe left to access the option to delete any album or song if you'd like. That's all it takes to delete one or more songs from your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.